Welcome to another day with your favorite man of 2022 entering into 2023. My voice is back, my health is back, and yet again I just want to begin with a simple statement. Greatness is turning your delusions into reality, putting in the efforts, the time, the patience, and in there making it your bitch. So if truly greatness is what you want to achieve, then begin with developing yourself. So, jumping into today, what are my delusions that I want to achieve? It is simply achieving the most ultra precise locations on these charts to show you that the human mind can comprehend even the biggest of the biggest things. The market can be conquered, knowledge can be upgraded, and your life can ever becoming better. So, I shall begin with deleting everything that goes on to this chart. As we know, in life we have to let go of the past and move into the future, never thinking we are where we are forever. So, like I always begin, we shall begin ourselves with understanding things on the bigger picture, be it life or be it the charts. And from here, we then start to isolate our past. Simply because the past is where you can learn. To do what? To be in the moment, to create a better future. So, let's begin with the past, and we dive deep into the H4. For today, we know that CPI will be playing its role. Hence, we have to be very, very careful with where it can go. What do we begin? Like I always teach you guys before, we begin with a mental visualization to where potentially gold can go. How do we do that? We open up our daily charts. We think about where it can go for today. So, you have your line at the current price of the day. 1881.60 is where gold is at. On a normal average day with a rate news, it can go up 200 pips and it could go down 200 pips. So from this price point, where would that be? We will be building somewhere around 1902, 1905. And on the downside, we shall be building somewhere around the 1860.27. So this is the mental visualization for you to have in order for you to anticipate what can potentially happen. Forex, it's a game of prediction. It's predicting what people would do based off the past and then leveraging it in the moment to make our future better at the cost of someone else's loss. So it's important to never become a loser in this life, because someone else like me will be taking it away from you. So after we have mapped out our critical lines, then we isolate ourselves back into the past, looking for a critical price. This particular M15 formation within the yellow lines. It's an ultra waterfall with a hidden engulfing buy fail that has yet to be activated in the future. So there must be something strong regarding this price level that will play its role later on for today. So where will I take it? I will take the whole M15 hidden engulfing sell. So for the sell today, 1902.09 would be a very critical ultimate sell. If it does happen, it can give you at least 100 pips. 40 pips should be your SL. But what about the lower region? Where do we go? So, around this location, as you guys can see, there is one ultimate engulfing fail on the M15. So this guy over here will be producing a potentially very strong buy zone in the future. So that future could be today. So my charts now, I will delete all other lines and be focusing on the major reversal levels. Understand? So this is where we will be playing for today. Any buys must happen within this zone, and if it breaks the zone, 30 to 40 pips is the SL. Same goes for the sell up top here. Taking any trades right now, you can, based off this M15 structure. So to the sellers now, if it breaks this blue box, you cut. And those that wants to buy, based off the M15, wait for this M15 engulfing fail. So these are zones for scalping, 40 pips, 60 pips, and the bigger zones I gave just now is for the true reversals, for that squirting waterfall. And from there, that is our full margin locations. And to those that is not in the full margin location, that is where we use proper money management. So I will keep you guys updated for today. We shall begin our year strongly. Thank God for my voice is back. So now the revolution is coming, the promises are coming, the next moves are coming. So are you guys there?